Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Namaskar. Good morning, beta.
Good morning,
Namaskar.
ma'am.
How are you? Happy Thursday, all of you. So, how is everything going on? Are you all okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all okay or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. So, today we are going to pray a Malik Tere Bande Hum. Okay, who knows this song? Prayer? Who knows this prayer?
Ma'am, I.
Okay,
Ma'am, which prayer?
fine. So, turn. मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, that one. Okay, so all of you join your hands, close your eyes, let's start the prayer. Malik tere bande hain hum. Okay, and one of our student, he says that he knows this song, so please turn on your camera and let's pray. Okay, 1 2 3 start. Turn on your camera, beta. Okay, start. हे मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। हे मालिक तेरे बंदे हम. Then what is the next line? Yes, Mayan, you said you know this prayer. What is the next line?
कैसे हो हमारे करम.
Yes. ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से चले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम. Then next stanza. What is that next stanza? Yes.
Ma'am, you speak stanza in this one also.
What is yes, of course. Here also we have stanza. Yes, you wanted to sing song. I'm waiting for you.
Ma'am,
But
in
ma'am,
this
we
link
don't
you
know.
can play.
Yes.
Ma'am, I had share link of that. You can play from them.
No,
Ma'am,
you
we
have to
don't
sing.
know.
I'm not going to play any link.
Ma'am, we don't know.
You don't know? This is a beautiful prayer. How can you say? ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम. ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा, हो रहा बेखबर, कुछ ना आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छिपा जा रहा है, तेरी रोशनी में वो दम, तो अमावस को कर दे पूनम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले. Then, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम. Okay, learn this prayer. Next time we are going to sing this prayer. Okay, everybody? Sending link, that's not enough. Fine. All of you, yesterday we have learned. Okay, conditional clause. There we have learned 3 types of if conditional clause. Okay, if conditional clause. So we have learned 3 types of if conditional clause. Okay, fine. Type 1, type 2 and type 3. In type 1 we use present simple or simple present. In type 2 you use simple past tense. In type 3 we use past participle form. Okay, in if condition. Okay, along with this, in the main clause of type 1 we use will plus V1. Here in type 2 we use would plus V1. In type 3 we use would plus have plus V3. This is the simple thing you have to remember. Okay, this is the shortcut method, you can say. You have to remember about if conditional clause. Okay, or also known as if clause. Got it, everyone? Yesterday I had given you a task. Okay, homework.
Ma'am,
All of
doubt.
Yes, yes, Janil,
Ma'am,
please ask me out.
we have a worksheet of English also.
Yes,
Can you send answers
have
for
you completed
this?
or not? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Okay, tell me, all of you open page number 44. We are going to solve question number B. Okay. In your notebook, write down this sentences using third condition. Okay. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have already done yesterday the homework in a textbook only.
Okay, let's discuss whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay.
Okay,
We are
ma'am.
going to discuss whether you have written right or wrong. So before that, let's recapitulate the rule of condition number 3rd, if condition. So if in if condition here it will be had plus V3 in if condition, and other part we have to use would plus have plus V3. Okay. So according to this, we are going to change the sentences. So first sentence it says that, so it's a first sentence already done. Second sentence it says that, had you asked me, I would have given my book to you. What changes you are going to do in this question? Yes, Janil, please ask me. Please give me answer.
If you had asked me, I would have given my book to you.
Okay, very good. If you had asked me for the book, I would have given it to you. Okay, the answer would be yes. If you had asked for the, what is that written? Asked for the book, comma, then I would have given to you. I would have given to you. So this is your answer number 2. Okay. Now moving to next. Can you see the board?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, I am continuously leaving, continuously not, but I am leaving and joining, okay, and then it is telling that host has removed you from meeting.
No, nobody is removing. Because see, I am busy in explaining. Students cannot remove you because they are not host. So maybe because of network issues, some other problem is showing. Okay, so don't think like that. Moving to question number 3rd. Had you given us the directions, had you given us the direction, we would not have lost our way. What would be
May
the
I,
answer?
ma'am?
If you have given us direction, we would not have lost the way.
If you had, yes. That's correct, yes. If you had given us the direction. Okay, answer number 3rd. If you had given us direction. Okay. Sorry, given us the direction. Here you add the direction, comma. Then what is the next sentence? Next sentence, we would not have lost our way. We would have not lost our way. So this is your correct answer of question number 3rd. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is saying that
Ma'am,
were we in the same class, I would have definitely helped you.
ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
May I, ma'am?
if we
Yes,
were
Janil.
in
Ma'am, थोड़ा tripod
Okay.
पीछे ले लो ना.
If we were in the same class, I would have definitely helped
Why
you.
were, beta? Why were? According to rule, we have to use had plus V3. Okay, had plus V3. So, in place of where, you can use had. Had plus V3, and the second way would have plus V3. Okay. Tell me. You can change both the clause in either way. You can write the main clause at the beginning and the if clause at the last. Okay, change in this way. Okay, write down the answer. I would have definitely helped you. I would have definitely helped you. Okay, so here see, when you write the main clause at the beginning of the sentence, you no need to put comma. In other sentences you have noticed that I have put comma. Okay, but here no need to put comma. You can go in, okay, continue after that. Okay, if I would have, sorry, I would have definitely helped you if you were, okay, if you, what did you say? If you were in the same class.
So ma'am, when we write after the main clause, then we don't have to put head in it.
No, not like that. I will tell you the rule, okay? See, why I didn't do any change here, okay? According to rule, it would be past perfect tense, but it is unreal condition. Okay, listen Isha, what was your doubt? It is unreal condition, but that means the person who is saying, okay, he or she was not in the person's class. That is, it is unreal totally. So unreal expectation or condition, okay, we have to use when. You won't believe we use I were in unreal condition. Got it? If the sentence is unreal condition, that means we can use I were. It is right. But generally we don't use I were. We use I was according to grammar. But it is unreal. That's why we can use I with plural form of be verb, that is where. So I will teach you, it is little, I told you it is little so vast topic, okay, to understand. That's why we are going little simple way to understand the three forms of the conditional clause, that is type 1, type 2, type 3. So no need to go so deep in it, okay. After your exam, I will teach you the other type of conditional clause, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now moving to next. Question number 5. Ravi was scolded by his mother because he had broken the vase.
Ma'am,
Can I, ma'am?
ma'am, if Ravi had not
Right.
broken... What,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes, you are going right. Very good. Continue. Agastya.
If Ravi had not... Okay, ma'am. If Ravi had not broken vase, his mother could not scold him.
Very nice. Well done. Good.
Would not have नहीं आएगा,
If
ma'am.
Ravi
Would
had not
have scolded.
had, he said had na. Agastya, you said had or not?
Had, yeah, ma'am. Ona, if Ravi had not
Yes.
broken.
Yeah,
I'm not-
if Ravi had not.
In last I am telling, would not have scolded.
Okay. Okay, yes. Would not have scolded him. Okay,
Ma'am,
the
I
correct
had-
answer is if Ravi had not broken the vase, comma, his mother would not have scolded him. Okay. If Ravi had not broken the vase, comma, his mother would not have scolded him.
Ma'am, why we have to use not?
I'll tell you. Would not have
Ma'am,
scolded him. Yeah, yes, sir. Please tell me what was your doubt. You asked me something.
Ma'am, why we have to put not in it? Use not.
Where?
Ma'am, we have used if Ravi had not broken the why we have used the not in question.
Yes, yes. See, if you don't use not, okay, for a minute you cut the word not and read the sentence.
Ma'am, this question I have written in Shishi book.
If
It is
Ravi, okay. But how can you show me then after this? Now read. If Ravi had broken the vase, his mother would not have scolded him. Is it sound good to your ears? See, I'm telling you in Hindi, listen it. अगर रवि तोड़ा नहीं था तो उसकी मदर उसको नहीं डांटती. आर यू गेटिंग? अगर रवि ने ये काम नहीं किया होता तो उसकी मदर भी नहीं डांटती. आर यू गेटिंग? अगर तुम गलती नहीं किए होते तो मुझसे डांट नहीं खा रहे होते. आर यू गेटिंग? So in both the sentence we are using not. In the same manner it has been used in this sentence. If I don't use not, it will not give you a complete sense of understanding or conditional. That's why. So he has done something. That's why something has happened. When you find the not or negative sentence, okay, you can go like this. Fine. Now next question is. Question number 6. The driver stopped in time. I was not hurt.
Ma'am, I have doubt in this one, ma'am.
Can I, ma'am?
Yes, Janil.
If the
Ma'am, I have
driver
doubt in
had
this
not
one.
stopped in time, I would have been hurt.
Okay, do one thing. Take the main clause at the beginning and if clause at the last.
I would have been hurt if the driver had not stopped in time.
Still waiting for the correct answer. The driver stopped in time. I was not hurt.
But ma'am, why do we take it first? Last sentence.
To make a good sense only. No, we can change. To make a good sense only.
Ma'am, I would have hurt if the driver had not stopped
Okay,
in time.
Listen. According to rule, if we are taking or even not taking the main clause at the beginning, we have to take would have plus V3. Okay? And which word you will change into verb third form? Find out that word only. That verb. I was not hurt. The sentence is I was not hurt. Where is verb in the sentence?
Ma'am,
Now you tell me where is.
we have to take the main clause first.
You can see. This is your subject. So where is verb in this sentence? You have to find out verb. Then you will convert the verb into third form. Then you write the sentence. Where is verb in this sentence? It is in front of you, but you are confused. Where is verb in this sentence?
Ma'am, hurt.
What stop?
Ma'am, stop.
No. Where is stop? I have written I was not hurt. You have to find out verb from this sentence.
Hurt would be.
Ma'am,
No. No, hurt is not
Was
verb.
not.
What is your verb? Understand? Okay. For example, if you are saying I am a girl, am is your main verb. He is a boy, so is your main verb. Okay. She was busy. I mean, was is your main verb. Like that, is, am, are. Okay. Is, am, are, was, were. Okay. These are known as auxiliary verbs. These are known as auxiliary verbs and also known as be verb. Okay. So it can be used as helping verb when it is showing you something continuous tense. Helping verb in continuous tense and main verb in simple present or simple past tense. Understand? So this is a simple past tense. So was is your verb. Okay. So what would be the third form of was? I am telling you, third form of was. Was, is, am, are, was, were. That is known as be verb. So be is your present form, and under be we can write is, am, are. Okay. And be then was and were in past, and third form we use been. So this is verb first form, this is verb second form, and this is verb third form. Okay. So and being, B-I-N-G, being, that is your verb fourth number form. You got it? Got it? Say yes or no.
Yes.
So we have to take this verb to frame sentence. Now you tell me the correct sentence of if conditional. I would have been hurt. Write down. I would have been hurt. 6 number. I would have been hurt. Now no need to put comma. Okay. Fine. If the driver had not stopped on time, if the driver had not stopped on time. So this is your correct answer of question number 6. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Keep your water bottle with you, okay? Because you are sitting for longer time, at least 5 periods in a day, right? You are attending 5 classes in a day. So keep your water bottle along with you. Some dry fruits, healthy food, that means, so that whenever you feel hungry, you can chew it, okay? And when you are getting time, okay, jug, full jug, okay. When you are getting time, that means 10 minutes break, please stand up, okay, move around your home, then come back and attend your class. Don't sit for longer time, okay? Use the 10 minutes time to move. Stand up, you can do some exercise like you twisting your waist, moving your shoulder like this.
मैम आप अभी
Yes,
8th
Jenny?
के क्लास में हो, हमारे क्लास में.
What happened, Jenny?
मैम आप अभी 8th वाले क्लास में हो, 8th A.
Your voice is cracking, beta. I'm not getting properly. Please write down in chat box then.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
मैम आप अभी 8th क्लास में हो स्कूल में, यानी ऐसा पूछ रहा हूँ, 8th A में हो.
Okay, actually I was in 8th A class, but other ma'am is taking class, so I came to top floor of school building. This is 3rd number floor. Okay. Fine. So we have done task number B also. Everybody has written, I think. Okay. Moving to next task, page number 46, dictionary work. Page number 46, dictionary work. After this topic, okay, we are going to do a very good and interesting things in the write-up, but I'm not going to teach you, okay, nowadays. I will teach you after the exam so that we can go for the practice. Blog writing, okay. Nowadays it is in very trend. People are writing blogs, travel blogs, food blogs, so many things are there. Even I have food blogs. You can subscribe.
Ma'am, what
In
a
Insta,
blog means? What we can?
that I will teach you. I will teach you in all detail. We are going to practice. We are going to write blog. We are going to open a site for blog. Okay, we will do that one. But later on, after your exam, okay?
Do you have food,
Okay.
Food blog?
Yes, I have food blog. Okay.
Ma'am, do you have written it on YouTube channel?
Only I have shared one video in YouTube. Most of the photos and write-up I have shared in Facebook and Instagram. Okay, that we'll discuss later on when I will teach this.
What is
When
your
I will
channel
teach this. Nilan, Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I know.
Now we are going to do dictionary work. All of you open page number 46. You have 8 words given. You have to search this meaning in your dictionary. Quickly search this meaning. That words are biodegradable, biodiversity, conservation, renewable, emission, ecology.
Page number?
Page number 46.
Ma'am, everyone is in a science chapter.
Yes.
I know every. No need to search in a Google or the dictionary. All are science word only.
I don't know what is, some problem is going on, beta. I'm not able to listen you properly.
Ma'am, we didn't want to search in the dictionary. This all words which are keeping or written on the 46 page number is already in science book.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Okay, search. Tell me then, what is the meaning of biodegradable? What is the meaning of biodegradable?
Can I, ma'am?
Biodegradable is a substance which can
decompose easily.
भाई एक बोलता है तो दूसरे को क्या बोलने की जरूरत थी?
Man, things that decompose easily.
Okay, but yes, this is right thing. Okay, if somebody is speaking, you should not break that sequence. Okay, after him you can speak. It's okay. I will listen 2 times. What the big deal? Okay, I'm habituated of that. Now, why other students are not participating? Ridhi Maheshwari, Deja Bhatt, Asta, Avinav, Agastya, Ashita, Bansri, Dharmi, Iman, Himanshi, Isha, Kevan. Shlok Upadhyay, feeling better today? Krishi also, he was participating okay earlier, but today, nowadays he is not participating, not saying anything. Krishi? He is combination of Krishna and Shiv, that's why, huh? Okay, Shlok, feeling better today? Bansri, how are you, beta?
I'm fine.
Fine. Then smile. Don't scare, beta. Okay, fine. So, the meaning of biodegradable you have written. Let me check in chat box. Yes. Yes, I will do. Where is the meaning? Environment. Okay. Easily decompose. Okay, fine, got it. Now, second word is biodiversity. What is the meaning of biodiversity?
Ma'am, can I?
Give chance to other also. Let them speak. Okay.
Ma'am, variety of living things in an environment.
Okay. That's great. Now next is conservation. Conservation. Okay, Jenny has already written.
Saving
To use something carefully and give time to renew is known as conservation.
Okay, fine. Good, good. Now next is renewable. Renewable.
Ma'am, the
something
things
that can be used again.
Yes.
Okay, the
Which
thing
will
that
never-
we can use again. Okay, for example,
Ma'am, solar energy.
Ma'am,
Water.
solar
Water.
energy, wind
Water.
energy.
water, yes. Okay. How we use material of vegetables like peels and all, wastage of vegetables. How can we use in other way?
Ma'am, we can use as a manure.
You can use it as a biomanure.
By manure. and also we can use like fertilizer. Do you know? You have to store it in a pot for longer time. Make it. You can grind it or throw it like that. Okay, and put in your vegetation or any other plant. It will grow faster.
Ma'am, we have to dig up it and means throw all the biodegradable waste in that, and after some time it will convert into some fertilizer like that. And that pit is known as compost pit.
Yes, and also do you know egg cells? Egg cells also they use in planting or something like that. Okay, they grind it. Even cow pit. Do you know what is cow pit? You must have read in science, cow pit.
No, ma'am. We haven't.
Okay. Do you know coconut hair or shell?
Ma'am, is cow dung or cow pit same or different?
No. Both are different. Okay. Cow pit means it is made of coconut. Okay, after peeling coconut, that rough or what you call hair type part you get from coconut, you have to keep it, store it in a dark place, putting water on it for a month or 2 months. After that you have to take it out and grind it. It will become your cow pit, and you can use in planting. It is available in what you call market and your online shopping site. Okay, people use that. Okay, what is the meaning of emission? Meaning of emission.
Ma'am, emission means something substance to come out from some criteria. Means, for example, from the car silencer, the gases are emitted out.
Okay. So that is emission. Okay, fine. Next is ecology. What is the meaning of ecology?
Ma'am, living of the non-living thing and living thing together.
Okay, that is your ecology. Now moving to next, 7th number, reforestation.
Ma'am, reforestation is... What, ma'am?
I'm so
what
sorry.
happened, ma'am?
My mobile fell down. Okay.
Okay, I think you fell down, ma'am.
How can we?
Ma'am,
Reforestation.
I am starting. Ma'am, reforestation is one process by which initially directly cutting down, continuously, astonishingly cutting down of the tree, and then again renew again. Tree are again grow at that place. This one is reforestation.
Again it happens because of this wind. I have only one mobile, beta. How to say?
Ma'am,
Let me close this door. What happened, Janil?
कुछ नहीं मैम.
Yes.
It's one मैं
I
कहूँ.
heard.
Can I
Okay.
tell it's one ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. An environmentalist is a person who is concerned with and or advocate for the protection of environment.
Environment. Okay. Will you give me examples of? Will you tell me few names of environmentalists who has saved Earth or something, protected some area or environment?
Ma'am, UNESCO.
UNESCO. Okay.
Salim Ali, SP Godrej.
Tell me. Okay.
Ma'am, Nanda Kishore. He also is an environmentalist.
Nanda Kishore.
Yes,
His
Silika.
name is there in. Okay, fine.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. What is the name of the person who has cleaned the pond or sea area in his city? He is from South.
Nanda Kishore.
No, he is from Odisha. I'm talking about South. A young boy, he left his job okay, in Google. He had offered a job offer in Google. He left the job and start cleaning ponds and sea area in his city. Sundar.
Ma'am, Arun Krishnamurthy.
Yes, he is Arun Krishnamurthy. Okay, tell me the person name who has saved trees around her area. She is not from India. Okay, and she has also awarded from government like this. What is her name? She is from South Africa, maybe. Later on, she did her PhD.
Yadav Payeng.
No. Okay, tell me who
Ma'am, I
saved
know.
or protect environment in...
Wangari Maathai.
Yes. How did you know? Have you searched in internet, Google? Have you asked
Yes,
your
ma'am.
Dada, Google Dada?
No, it's South Africa.
No problem. Okay. You can take help of Google, right? But not in exam, during explanation, during discussion, you can take help of Google. It's okay, no problem. Okay. Who is there in Gujarat who saved environment?
Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel.
Okay. They are freedom fighters, right? They are freedom fighters.
Gandhian Sundarlal. Right, ma'am?
What, Sundarlal?
Gandhian Sundarlal. Gandhian.
Gandhi and Sundarlal.
Gandhi is your padosi? Neighbor?
No, ma'am, with Google it was telling.
Okay. Mahatma Gandhi and Sundarlal. Okay. That's great. Fine. So, what are the questions given in your worksheet and your workbook? Okay, complete those. In next class, we are going to discuss that. Okay?
Ma'am, can you send us this chapter question answer?
Yes, today I am going to send.
Ma'am, I have one question.
I have also one question. Why haven't you all sent me the videos, speaking videos? Still it is left. Yesterday I was waiting for your videos.
Ma'am, can you tell me topic again? I forgot, ma'am.
Topic is collect information about Chilika Lake, learn it and give your speaking video to me. Send me that.
Ma'am, only we have to record with camera or only with the listening part?
It is speaking part, so you have to record video.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you, after today, I'm not going to receive your video. Fine. If you send me, then also I will not count as I have received it. So better you send me today so that I can make a record of it.
Ma'am?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes. Himanshi.
Ma'am, on page number 42, on choose the correct answers, what is the answer of second one?
Page number 42.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which one?
Second one. Choose the correct
Question.
answer. Second one.
Question number 2. Seeing the twig, the egret beak, Nanda Kishore dash.
Ma'am, A.
A number realized that it was building its nest. First one is your correct option.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Any other doubt you have?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Janil.
Ma'am, what is today's
Ma'am,
homework?
we discuss book answers.
Which one, beta?
Ma'am, English workbook.
Janil?
English workbook.
Word
ma'am.
book. Okay. English workbook we are going to solve tomorrow. Okay. If you have any doubt, please mark it. We'll discuss tomorrow all the question answer. Okay. Yes. Your homework is how much you can complete the tasks of grammar. You completed seen, unseen, everything you complete. Okay. Remaining, if you have any doubt, that we'll discuss tomorrow. But mostly the grammar part. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Complete your work so that you will not get any negative remarks. Okay. This is your second summation. So you should complete it neatly. All the work, each and everything should be there.
Ma'am,
I hope you students have made cover page also of the chapter. Yes, tell me, beta.
ma'am, I have one doubt that, ma'am, where we have to write, ma'am, where we can write the blog?
See, first we are going to learn in your FNB. Okay, notebook we will write for the practice. After that, we are going to use through social site. Okay, we are going to share our blogs in social media, somewhat like that. Okay, blog is not that you will write in notebook and keep it safe. No, blog means something you have to share with people so that they will come to know. That part I will teach you. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay. Take care all of you. God bless you. Have your breakfast.
Ma'am, what about attendance?
Take in.
Attendance, ma'am.
Take in, beta. Screenshot.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
beta. Bye, bye. Bye, beta.